Now we're going to begin to talk about methodology, your approach to problem solving using Karel the robot in itself. I'll scroll back down to Karel intro. And so we have some links here now. And if you click on the link, it'll come up to Karel the robot. You can see it's from Stanford University. It's a whole PDF on how to engage someone. What is Karel? You can look through here. It talks about it from a Java perspective, but the hardest part of programming is your approach, how you organize your thoughts, how you get the logic, and then when it's all ready, then you program it with syntax, which is specific to the language. Outside of that, it's not language specific. So this pamphlet, this PDF document, I'll just scroll through it real fast so you can see, goes into a lot of topics and tells you what to look out for, how to approach it, what you can do, and a quick reference card. And so that's Karel the robot. That's this first link here. The second link is just showing you on a web page. Someone's made the same thing at Stanford, and they have Karel. So probably Karel here, I think, can just move. Let's see. On our quick reference key, we can probably see that. Move. Okay. Move. Yeah. So it could say on the web page, move, semicolon. And now if I hit run, he moved. So as you see, it looks very similar to ours. It's a little bit different, but that's Java. And then the other link, if we look here, is the actual Stanford University Introduction to Computer Science course. So if we look at that link, this is free. There's no special login. If you Google Stanford Engineering everywhere, see a site comes up. We can click on it, and then we can see some different classes they have for free. You know, Introduction to Computer Science. We're on the methodology, and that's back where we were right here. This link right here. It's exactly the same. And in the very first thing, you can see, you can watch it, you can download it. If you watch it, it's going to bring it up on YouTube. You can see here, it's a natural class. They have first half section, they're talking about admin stuff, but then he starts talking about, you know, programming. And you see, let's look at lecture 2. You can see handouts, Karel program running with programming, Karel putting it all together. Third thing is on Karel, common errors. Let's see, the fourth thing, now it moves on from Karel. So basically, maybe why Karel, in the end of the first lecture, and 2 other lectures, about 50 minutes long. So that's about 2 hours and 10 minutes talking about Karel and methodology and how to approach it. And so those are good resources, and that's where these things come from. And that's going to set us up for our first real challenge, where it's coming from, how do we approach it, if you want to learn more about it, and then what to do. So we'll attempt that next.